In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a code toolkit in Notion to organize and manage your code snippets in one place. Let's get started. Create a new page in Notion and insert a gallery or table database. Give it a name such as Code Toolkit or Snippet Library. Click New to create your first code entry. Give it a descriptive title so it's easy to find later. Inside the page, type code and select the code block. Paste your code snippet, then choose the correct programming language for syntax highlighting. Add properties such as language, category, project, tags, or last updated to make your snippets easy to search, filter, and organize. Repeat the process for each new snippet and use different database views or filters to quickly find the code you need for future projects. That's how to build a code toolkit in Notion. Thanks for watching.